As you can see, Copilot feature just disappeared. Recently, Microsoft introduced a new AI feature named Microsoft Copilot. Yes, artificial intelligence is everywhere. By the way, if you want to know how to activate Copilot, I recommend to click on this link. But hear this, not everyone is excited about Microsoft features and the latest updates. In our case about Copilot, and I'm not even talking about Linux users. That's why today I will show you how to disable this feature using several simple methods. I can assure you that everything works, and I hope these methods will be useful for you. So let's get started. And here we are in Windows 11. First of all, I want to mention, if you haven't received Copilot in Windows 11, you can try to sign out from your Microsoft account, because there is a high probability that you can gain this feature only after signing into your Microsoft account. So for some people it is a benefit, and for some people it is completely disaster. It all depends on you. Let's talk about the easiest way without using Registry, Group Policy Editor, etc. So we need to click here on the menu, then click on the settings. From settings, you need to navigate to personalization. Scroll down a little bit until you will see taskbar behavior system pens. So you need to click on it. In this window, you may see Copilot preview. Simply, you just need to click here, and it will automatically turn off Copilot in your Windows system. So as you can see, it disappeared. And on the other side, if you want to enable Copilot, you just need to click here, and then it will appear in your window. Okay, let's move forward. Now I will close this window. Regarding to the first method, we will use Registry. So move the mouse cursor to the search. And now you need to type next. Reg, edit. Here you may see Reg Edit. I recommend to run it as administrator. So click here, select yes. So we are in the Registry Editor. I will open it in full screen to make it more convenient. In the upper left corner, you need to click on Computer. After this, few folders will appear in our window. Click on each key current user. From this folder, you need to navigate to Software. Here you may see Software. Click one more time. Then you need to find and select Microsoft. Here it is. Click. Just for a sec, I will allocate more space. After selecting Microsoft, you need to scroll down a little bit until you will find a Windows folder. I successfully found Windows folder, so you need to click on it. And from Windows folder, you need to open current version. Click on it. In this folder, we need to scroll down a little bit until we will find Explorer. Here it is. I truly understand that for some people it may seem too complicated. So from Explorer, we need to select Advanced. And that's all. Before proceeding to the next step, I recommend to back up your registry. In our case, we will back up Advanced folder. So click on the right mouse button, then select Export. Now you need to select the place where you want to save the registry backup. Definitely, I recommend to select C drive. Also, you can save it to your desktop. For example, you can type backup. After this, you need to click here and be sure to select registration files. It is very important. I recommend to leave this option by default and click save. In short, if in the future you will have some problem with the registry, you can always import the file that you saved. To import registry, you just need to click on the file and select import. As you can see, this is my backup. So I can click here and select open. Actually, there is no need to do this right now, so I will close this window, but always do backup. Then you just need to click on Advanced folder, click on the left mouse button, and on the right side, you will see the Word 32-bit value files. We need to scroll down a little bit and find Show Copilot button. Here it is, Show Copilot button. You need to double click on it. I will move it to the center to make it more convenient. In the value data, you need to type 0. It is very important. Here you can leave base hexadecimal by default and click OK. After doing this, I recommend to click on the startup menu, navigate to the power button and restart your laptop or machine. In my opinion, it is very important. Now let's talk about the second method, which also includes to use registry. So you need to click on the search, again type regedit, run as administrator, select yes, navigate to the following path. Again, in the upper left corner, you need to select HKey current user, select software, but this time you need to select policies, and then select Microsoft. Choose Windows folder, and here you may see Microsoft Copilot. I want to mention that sometimes this folder can be not available, but if you want to use the second method, probably you will find this folder. So you can click on the Microsoft Copilot. On the right side, you can find this file, turn off Windows Copilot. So you need to double click on it. This time you need to change value data from 0 to 1. So type 1, leave hexadecimal, and click OK. I want to note, after all this process, again, you need to restart your machine. Let's talk about the third solution to disable Copilot in Windows 11, and for this we will use Group Policy Editor. You need to move the mouse cursor to the search, click here, and type GP edit. Press enter, give it more space. In our case, we need to select user configuration. From user configuration, we need to navigate to administrative templates. Here you need to find Windows components. Click, move it to the right. Then you need to scroll down a little bit until you will find a Windows Copilot folder. And here it is, Windows Copilot. So click on Windows Copilot. On the right side, you may see Turn off Windows Copilot. So you need to double click on it. In this window, you need to change Not Configured to Enable, and select Apply, and finally OK. As you can see, Copilot feature just disappeared, so I can confirm that it works. Now we can close the window, and of course, if you want to be sure that everything will work, again, I recommend to restart your machine. In fact, after repeating these steps, Microsoft Copilot should no longer appear in Windows 11. At the time of recording this video, all methods worked perfectly. My conclusions. Although Copilot is a new and quite useful feature, it's not suitable for everyone. You can always disable it using these simple ways that I showed you today. By the way, I'm curious to hear what you think about this AI assistant, so let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Also, I want to thank my channel member, Brian. Thank you, Brian, you are the best. And I recommend watching this video on how to activate Copilot in Windows 11. Of course, if you want to do it.